Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize ChatGPT and be able to make money by using ChatGPT. If you're going to go and type, for instance, how much money does, let me show you how much money does can you make by blogging. You can see that the amount of money is around, the average blogger can make between 30,000 USD and 50,000 USD per year. So now let's take 30,000 USD per year and divide it by 12. You're gonna see that you have 2,500 USD. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways you can use to monetize ChatGPT and be able to make money online using ChatGPT. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first way you can use to make money by using ChatGPT is also through blogging. So if you type blogging also in ChatGPT, you're gonna be seeing blogging as job. This is gonna be also giving you different details. However, not only that, you will not be using this blogging as a job. Also, you'll only be using ChatGPT to help you creating blogging contents. For instance, you want to be creating the given article. You can say like ChatGPT also create. Let me try refreshing. So create an article about different strategies for learning social media marketing. So if we type like this one, it's gonna be giving you different strategies about learning social media marketing. As you can see, this can be a given article that you can publish anywhere on your platform, also that you can publish as part of your blog. Also, maybe you can use it to sell other third-party products and the given ways you want. You can use ChatGPT also to do a different blogging career, either to promote different products through your blogging articles or blogging activities, and also be able to get money. Let's see also blogging. If I type blogging jobs, also we'll be seeing different categories of blogging jobs. You can see if you come here on different platforms, you can see there are different blogging jobs. These also can be giving you different ideas. You can not only use this to write articles, you can also say, for instance, give me 5 articles titles about social media marketing that I will also write about. As you can see, it's gonna be suggesting me different articles that I can be writing about. If I want to be exploring, I can also go outside there and conduct research and also I will provide fully detailed articles about those titles that I have generated with ChatGPT. The second option is social media management. When you talk about social media management, also as a job is a different thing, and also now you can be able to understand what is it and how does it work. ChatGPT is going to be explaining you social media management as a job. As you can see, social media management has become one of the most sought after jobs in the digital marketing field, as businesses and the brand recognize the power of social media platforms. You can also use this to manage your social media. For instance, if I go to social media management jobs, you are going to be seeing different activities or different actions requirements that can be also using, or that you can be using also to make money. Let's see how much money does social media manager salary. If I type this social media manager salary, you are gonna see that is around 13,000 USD. This depends on the given country. For 576 13,074 USD. Now it depends on the given place and the given social media management platforms you are conducting, also the given institution you are managing social media for. Let's see how we can use ChatGPT to given to manage social media. For instance, I want to be posting on Instagram. You can say create an Instagram post on Instagram posts about my iPhone 15 that I'm selling. So if you type like this one, it's gonna be creating also your social media posts. As you can see, this is an Instagram now. This is an Instagram post. You can see it has already described the product and also what I'm gonna be posting. It also included the emojis or different images that I can be adding. In addition to that, it also added some more hashtags that I use to promote my post so that it can be reaching to more niche. The third one is also affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, also now you can see affiliate marketing salary. Now you're not gonna be seeing salary, but also you're gonna see different strategies that you can be using to make money as affiliate marketer. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you can see like here there are a lot of products they are saying, also amount of money that people are earning. Also when it comes to affiliate marketing, that is where people are going to be earning different commissions also, and also be able to earn the given amount of money. This is not going to be in terms of salary, but also it's going to be in terms of the sales you have already made. Now let's also try to see what is going to be next. If we go to for instance 47,500 USD, 47,500 USD per year. This is the amount of money that affiliate marketer can be able to do to make per year. This depends on how much money or how many sales you have already made. And also to do this, for instance, you are selling the given products. So you want to be selling iPhone 15, for example. So what you need to do is to, for instance, you can say write the product description, iPhone. So now let's say iPhone 15. So it's gonna be giving me all the description of the iPhone 15. So now that I'm going to be selling it in my affiliate marketing program. So now you can see it is going to be giving me different details and different information that I'm going to be using in my affiliate marketing projects. You can see now it's going to be starting iPhone 15 sets a new standard in smartphone technology with cutting edge features. What it does now is also to be concentrated or to be gathering different information over the internet. Once it's done, now what it's going to be doing is to also bring different details or information over the internet talking about iPhone 15, and also it's going to be giving you a detailed description which will be helping you to convince the customers so that they can be purchasing your item or your affiliate marketing promotions. Last one is creating a website. We are only talking about promoting services, earning money. Also you're going to be talking also about promoting or creating a website. When it comes to creating a website, you can use also ChatGPT to create a website that you can be using for promoting your products, that you can be using to make sales, or that you can be using to do different activities. Let's say you want to be creating a website. You can see I want to create a website. I want to create shopping website. Give me the idea. It is going to be giving you the idea of how you can create a shopping website and how it will be performing, how the features, and also if you need some more context of code, it's going to be also giving you the ones. Additionally, also there is also a YouTube videos. You can use ChatGPT also to create YouTube videos. For instance, you can say that I need an idea. Also, I need ideas about the given videos in the athletic industries that I can prepare courses for. As you can see, after saying this one, it is gonna be also giving me different ways to create a courses in athletics. It's gonna be giving me different topics. It's gonna be giving me different suggestions and the context I can be planning the given contents. So now you can be choosing this one, and also once you are done this one, you can be able to start making money with the given option you have already chosen. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be using ChatGPT to monetize it and also be able to make a certain amount of money. It depends on which kind of money making strategies have you decided, and also how you're going to be using ChatGPT. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Max TV. Also share this video to your friends so that you will always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.